Hey guys, it's Debbie here. Today I'm going to be sharing the vintage truck, and I'm actually going to be doing 3 different layers. I'm going to start with the first layer, and that is the body of the truck. And as you can see, I am putting the transfer down, going to try to center it on the board and leave room at the top so that I can put some signage. And once I get it down, I'm going to press in the silkscreen areas and get started. I'm going to be doing the tire area in the black Chalkology paste, and as you can see, it doesn't take very much paste at all. And once I get finished with that, I'm going to be adding white Chalkology paste to the body of the truck. And remember, if your chalk paste dries out a little bit, all you have to do is add just a little bit of water and stir it well. I know some of my containers, some of the colors I don't use as much as others, and I just add a little water, give it a good stir, and it's ready to go. And with all of the chalk paste, you lay it out on your transfer, you smooth it in with the squeegee, and if you have any excess, you can just wipe it off and put it back into your container. And what I'm going to be doing in between the layers of the vintage truck is I'm going to be using my hair dryer to dry it, because as I layer up, I don't want the transfer after to pull up any of the chalk paste. And so here you can see I'm pulling the transfer off, and remember to always pull it from left to right, never from corner to corner, because it can stretch your transfer, and you don't want that. You want to reuse your transfers over and over again. And as you can see, now I'm going to be adding the plaid over my white, and I'm going to do it in red Chalkology paste. I don't know about you guys, but I am totally loving all the plaid details for fall and winter this year. So I thought I'd add it to my vintage truck. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did with the white and the black. Just take some Chalkology paste and cover all the silkscreen areas and scrape off any excess. And it's time to reveal the plaid. I just love the way it looks. It's going to be so cute. I'm using my hair dryer to dry in between the layering. And you don't have to do this, but I was trying to speed up the process. I just couldn't wait to add the final layer of the truck. And as you can see, I've been using this transfer since February. So some of the colors, like black and the darker colors, will stain the transfer, but it's okay. It doesn't hurt it at all. And I don't know how many times I've used this one. It still does a great job. And I'm going to be doing the rest of the truck in black. This traditional red and white plaid with black I thought would be a cute display for Christmas. This won't take very long at all. And if I didn't have to dry in between the layers, this would probably be less than 10 minutes for the whole process. It's time for the reveal, my favorite part. And there it is, my vintage truck with the plaid paint job. I'm going to be adding a few more things to the truck. I'm going to put cut and carry at the top, and I'm going to add a little Christmas tree from another one of the transfers. You can mix and match all the transfers. You can create just about anything that you can come up with. And I thought it would be cute to have a Christmas tree on the door, and I'm doing that in green. Ta-da! It's time for the reveal. My little Christmas tree looks so cute. Now I'm going to add the words cut and carry. This is from the vintage winter truck add-on for the truck. Each season, Chalk Couture adds a couple of different transfers. They're add-ons for the vintage truck. You can buy the vintage truck individually and then buy the add-ons. And I love all of the ideas. The fall had pumpkins and hay and just apples, anything you could think of for fall. It was so cute. The board, I can't remember if it came from Walmart, Michael's, one of those stores. And I'm drying with my hair dryer here. You could, and the reason I'm doing it, when I lay the other transfer over it, I don't want the sticky part to pull up any of the chalk paste. This is going to be the final detail. I may add a bow or something. Haven't decided yet, but you can see the picture of the finished product at the end. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. We'll talk to you later.